For many years, the search for longevity has focused on expensive supplements, advanced medical treatments, and futuristic anti-aging solutions. Yet some of the most powerful tools for extending health and slowing biological aging are surprisingly simple and already part of everyday life. One of those tools is real, traditionally strained Greek yogurt, not the sugary, flavored versions, but plain Greek yogurt, rich in protein and live cultures. When eaten consistently, Greek yogurt does far more than support digestion or muscle strength. It sends meaningful signals throughout the body that influence inflammation, blood sugar control, gut health, mitochondrial function, and overall metabolic stability. One of the earliest and most overlooked drivers of aging is the gradual loss of muscle mass, which begins as early as the 30s and accelerates after 50. Muscle is not just about physical strength. It is a metabolic organ that determines how efficiently the body handles glucose, how stable energy levels remain, and how resilient the body becomes with age. Greek yogurt is uniquely effective here because it delivers high-quality, easily digestible protein that is rich in leucine, an amino acid that directly activates muscle maintenance pathways. Unlike ultra-processed protein products, Greek yogurt provides these signals without extreme insulin spikes, making it ideal for older adults who need muscle support without metabolic stress. Its proteins are partially fermented, meaning they are easier to digest and absorb more efficiently, delivering a slow, steady supply of amino acids that helps reduce muscle breakdown, especially overnight. Preserving muscle also protects insulin sensitivity because muscle tissue is one of the body's main destinations for glucose. As muscle mass is maintained, blood sugar becomes easier to control, lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes and the accelerated aging that comes with it. Beyond muscle, Greek yogurt plays a powerful role in gut health, which modern aging science now recognizes as central to longevity. The gut microbiome acts like a hidden organ, communicating constantly with the immune system, metabolism, and even the brain. As we age, microbial diversity tends to decline, leading to chronic inflammation, immune dysfunction, and metabolic instability. Greek yogurt introduces beneficial bacteria that help restore balance, strengthen the gut barrier, and reduce the leakage of inflammatory compounds into the bloodstream. These microbes produce short-chain fatty acids that calm inflammatory pathways, support intestinal cells, and even influence gene expression related to stress resistance and repair. This gut support extends to immune health, helping the immune system remain responsive without becoming overactive, a balance that becomes increasingly important with age. Greek yogurt also supports stable blood sugar through its low glycemic load, balanced fat and protein content, and its ability to improve insulin sensitivity rather than forcing restriction. It helps smooth glucose spikes after meals, reduces the overall insulin burden across the day, and supports natural metabolic rhythms that allow periods of repair between meals. Chronic inflammation, often called inflammaging, is another major driver of aging, quietly damaging tissues and accelerating diseases of the heart, brain, and metabolism. Greek yogurt helps counter this through bioactive peptides formed during fermentation, beneficial gut bacteria, and minerals like calcium and magnesium that calm immune overactivation. While no single food can stop aging, consistent intake of fermented foods like Greek yogurt helps lower baseline inflammation, improve metabolic signaling, and reduce the silent stress placed on cells over time. What makes Greek yogurt especially valuable is sustainability. Longevity is not built through extreme interventions, but through habits that can be maintained for decades. Greek yogurt is affordable, accessible, and easy to incorporate into daily life. When consumed regularly and intelligently, it becomes more than a food. It becomes a form of biological communication. It's quietly telling the body to preserve strength, stabilize metabolism, reduce inflammation, and age more resiliently. This is the difference between a passing health trend and a true longevity habit.